Hello there, welcome back to Jamie Jo Sells Wax here on YouTube. I am Jamie Jo and I am a Scentsy consultant. I'm here to talk to you guys about all the awesome stuff that Scentsy has to offer. Today, we are talking about Scentsy Laundry and specifically a brand new product that was just released called Scentsy Suds. Now, a lot of people think that Scentsy is just warmers and wax, and we are way more than that. You could see tons of different products all around behind me. Of course, we started out with warmers and wax, but we have laundry products, we have cleaning products, we have plush items, we have essential oil diffusers, we have air purifiers, so many different products that you can take on the go as well. So Scentsy is definitely more than warmers and wax. Today, we're going to talk about Scentsy Laundry. Now, this new product, Scentsy Suds, it is a laundry detergent sheet. I had never used laundry detergent sheets before, and when we announced that they were coming out, I mentioned it to my mom, and mom was a little like, meh. She said, I tried the laundry detergent sheets of other brands. I've never had great success. She talked to me about how they would stick to the drum of her washer. They wouldn't fully dissolve. So honestly, I didn't have great expectations for these Scentsy Suds. However, I started using them and I have loved them. Absolutely loved them. I've not had a single problem with them. I have an HE washer and I have been using these for a couple weeks now and I have fallen in love. Let's talk about Scentsy Suds and what they are. So this is a Scentsy Suds sheet. You will see that it is perforated down the middle. The directions say for a small load, you would just use a half of a sheet, or for a large load, use the full sheet. So you get 25 sheets, which means up to 50 small loads in a box, and that price is $22. Now here is what I'm really excited about. Paul and I are planning an upcoming trip to Europe. We're gonna be gone for 3 full weeks, and I'm gonna have to do laundry while I'm there. Now, I'm very picky as to what I put on my skin, but I know that my skin loves Scentsy laundry products. So I'm not gonna have to worry about taking our laundry liquid, putting it in little packets or anything like that. I can just grab some of my Scentsy Suds, put them in a Ziploc baggie, pop them in my suitcase, and I'm gonna be set to go. So I absolutely love the Scentsy Suds. I know you guys are going to have questions, so I'm gonna read directly out of the catalog what Scentsy tells us about these. They are pre-measured and easy to use, biodegradable laundry detergent sheets you simply place in your washing machine, dissolves in both cold or hot water for an effective clean. And like I said, 25 perforated sheets up to 50 loads. So I love Scentsy Suds. Now, the other option that we have for detergent is our laundry liquid. I've been using this for years and years, and I absolutely love it. You might look at this tiny bottle and say, girl, that's gonna last me no time at all, because we're used to seeing those gigantic bottles of the stuff we get at Walmart or at Target. Let me tell you that this tiny little bottle is the same as one of those giant big bottles, because you're only gonna use a few squirts of this in your laundry. And it smells absolutely amazing, as do the Scentsy Suds. Now, Scentsy Suds are brand new, so they only come in one fragrance, and that is Clothesline. But that laundry liquid comes in several different fragrances. This is my favorite. This is the Wildflower Cotton. I love to use it in the summer. I also love White Amber and Teak. It's a great, somewhat masculine fragrance, but there's so many great fragrances. So those are our 2 products that will clean your clothes. Moving on from that, you should be using washer whiffs. They come in 2 different sizes. This is the exact same product, 2 different sizes. This is if you're a newbie, but this is if you're an addict like me. Honestly, just skip buying that small one and go straight to the big one. because you're gonna absolutely love these. Now they are a kind of like a rock salt crystal that goes in your laundry. You're just gonna put a scoop of that on top of your dirty clothes, and it is going to add amazing fragrance to your laundry. It's not gonna clean anything. It is simply for fragrance. I'm telling you, they're the gateway drug into Scentsy laundry products. They are absolutely amazing. I know if you use them, you're gonna fall in love with them. Moving on from that, we're gonna talk about what happens in the dryer. Now I'm gonna pause that for a second because I know a lot of you are used to using liquid fabric softener. I do not use liquid fabric softener. I encourage you to do a little bit of research on it, and you'll find out how it is not very good for your clothes or your skin at all. Instead of liquid softener, I use vinegar, simple white vinegar, and I put that in my washing machine where the softener would go, where the liquid softener would go. No, it does not make my clothes smell like vinegar at all. In fact, my clothes smell amazing because I'm using the washer whiffs. Okay, so we've talked about we don't need liquid softener. You do, however, want to maybe add a little something to your dryer. We have two different options. This is a dryer disc. You can reuse it over and over and over again. Really, this is just another chance to add more fragrance to your clothes. Or you can use Scentsy dryer sheets. Friends, you know what a dryer sheet is. It works the exact same way, looks the exact same, behaves the exact same. It is going to be anti-static and fragrance for your clothes. Then we round out the whole collection of Scentsy laundry with Scentsy Fresh. This is a fabric refresher spray that you can use on your clothing. You could use it on blankets, pillows, upholstery, dog beds, whatever you want to use it on. Scentsy Fresh is absolutely amazing. I keep a bottle of it next to my bed, and when I make my bed, I spray those sheets down. So when I pull that comforter back in the evening, it smells so good, just like Scentsy Fresh. Now, let's talk bundle deals, because we all love a great deal, right? Scentsy has bundle and save options where you can save 10% off of your products. Now, with the laundry, we used to have a very strict and concise bundle deal, but they have decided to open it up and give us some options. So with a Laundry Love bundle where you're gonna save 10%, you get 3 products. The first, you get a choice of liquid, laundry liquid, or Scentsy Suds. So you get to choose one of those. The next one is you're going to get the washer with tub. Now I told you, skip that little bitty container and go straight to the big one. That's what you get in a Laundry Love bundle. And then you get to choose whether you get a box of dryer sheets or a box of dryer discs. Discs come 2 in a box. The dryer sheets, there's 80 in here, friends. So those are the 3 items. You get to choose your detergent, you get your washer whiffs, and you get to choose your dryer product. When you make those 3 choices, you are going to save 10% off of this bundle deal, which we call Laundry Love. Now, how do you order this? You can go to my website, which is JamiJoSellsWax.com, or you can text me at 918-888-9690, and I can help you out with your order that way. There is a great way that you could get one of those Laundry Love bundles at half price, not just the 10% off. We can do 50% off, and that is by earning Scentsy credit and half price. How do you do that? You shoot me a text to that number I just said, and I'm gonna set you up with a shopping link specific for you to share with your friends and family, share on your social media. When your friends and family shop on there, you are going to earn free and half price credits. And that Laundry Love bundle is something that qualifies as a half price item. So it's a great way to get your Scentsy laundry at a heck of a good deal. If your budget is a little tight right now and you could use a little extra cash, Scentsy could be the way to do that. That's what I started out as, just a little side hustle with Scentsy, and it has turned into my full-time gig. You could get started today and I would love to be your mentor and help you every step of the way. There's information on my website, or again, shoot me a text. I'd love to answer any questions that you guys have. Guys, my name is Jami Jo. I am in love with the new Scentsy Suds, and I think you will be too. I am here to help make your nose super happy and your laundry smell really good.